What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the MacBook on deck. This is my midnight blue MacBook Air 2022 M2 or whatever you want to call it. Got the D brand colorway on here, looking very dope. And I want to shout out UAG. UAG sent your boy out a case for the M2 Air from their U collection. As you can see, nice navy blue colorway matching everything that I got going on with the M2 MacBook, so looking very dope. This is the Lucent for the MacBook Air M2 2022. I already said that, and this is how it should look. Nice little easy packaging from UAG. This is a dope protective case for my MacBook, and you know, this is the MacBook Air, so I use it, throw it all around, use it in all type of awkward places and awkward locations, and sometimes it's in the way. So I was like, let me finally put a case on it, and shout out UAG for providing that protective case. Take a look at the back and see what we got on the back here, guys. Nice case. Now, as you can see, we're not working with a lot of space, guys, so excuse the video. I know it's a little cramped, but I'm trying to show y'all what I can show y'all, man. I need a bigger dedicated space to show y'all some bigger items. But as you can see, co-molded construction, easy grip, protective slim bumpers, limited lifetime warranty, impact resistant, hinge, one-piece design. As you can see, when it comes to these bigger cases, iPad cases and things of that nature from UAG, easy unboxing. They got like a little magnetic strip right here that you just open up. So here we go, guys. Very dope colorway. Got some U branding, and actually got like this strap right here for the, but this is like the back that makes it one piece. I guess that's molded together. These corners are nice and raised up. Nice bumpers in case you drop your MacBook. I mean, I'd be scared. You know, with this case on, I feel much better. I never want to drop my MacBook, but with this case on there, it does definitely look like it's going to add some protection. Feels pretty protective, and just a dope colorway that goes with my D. I'm going to put this over my D brand skin. I think it's really going to bring the MacBook Air all the way home and have it looking protective and very dope. Take a look at the bottom. We got some feet going on. You know, typical stuff. Very transparent. Love this colorway. So what do y'all think, guys? This is on here. It was easy, snapped on very easy. It looks pretty fly to me, guys, with the D brand skin, with this colorway. I mean, this is a fire little case. You got your cutout for your audio jack right here, cutout for your charging, your 2 Type-C's on the other side. Nice big cutout, so if you try to use a dock or something, it'll still work. Still opens and closes, really functional, guys. As you can see, it's not in the way or nothing like that. Not in the way when it comes to the screen, keyboard. It's definitely protecting the outside of the device. On the inside of the device, you got the same feel. You got some little clips that just hold it on and make sure it's locked in place so it's not sliding off of the device. But this is the Lucent by UAG for your MacBook M2 Air. I think it's definitely dope. I'll put a link down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.